Okay, so for today's lesson, we are comparing rates of change with different representations. So, different representations means exactly what we're looking at. One of your slopes will be given one way. So, here you have a table, and the other slope will be given another way. So, here we have a graph. So, we're going to look at these two functions and find the slope. That's our first step. I'll start with the graph because it's easier for me. So I'm going to use this point and this point. So my rise is 1 and my run is 2. So the slope here is positive 1/2. Now for the table, I need to pick 2 points and do the math. So I'll pick the ones that don't have integers. So here's x1, y1, x2, y2, and then I will plug it into the slope formula. So 1 minus 4 over 1 minus 0 gives me negative 3 over 1. So my first slope is 1/2. My second slope is negative 3. The question said, which function is changing the fastest? So that means which slope is steeper, which slope has the greatest absolute value. So to answer the question, you're going to answer it on the second slide. So slope A is changing faster than slope B. And then here's the reason. Because the absolute value of negative 3 is greater than the absolute value of 1/2. So I'm using absolute value just to let you know that the sign doesn't matter, okay? So really you're looking at 3 and 1/2. 3 is a bigger number than 1/2, so that means that slope is steeper or that slope is changing faster. So that's what we're doing for the rest of the lesson. You'll have two functions. You'll find their slopes. You'll compare the absolute values to see which slope is greater.